Students will start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 12. Chapter number 12, Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So Heron is a famous Egypt mathematician. So he has contributed a lot in geometrical part. In that, so we are going to talk Heron's formula for finding area of a triangle. So before that, you know what is perimeter? The measure of a boundary of any 2D plane, 2D figure. If you take a triangle, rectangle, triangle, any quadrilateral, trapezium, hexagon, any 2D figure you take, if you measure the outer boundary, that we call it as a perimeter. See, next, so how you are going to find the area? The measure of the surface of a 2D plane, the measure of surface of a 2D plane, this total measurement is nothing but an area. Okay, so for rectangle it is length into breadth. Okay, for rectangle it is length into breadth. For triangle we have a formula half into base into height. Okay, now if it is a right angle triangle, if it is 5 centimeter, if it is 4 centimeter, directly we could calculate half into, so if it is ABC, how you are going to calculate half into base into height? Either you can consider BC as a height, or you can consider AB as a height. So if I consider AB as a height, so what is base? Base half into base into height. So half into, what is base here? Base is 4 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 10 centimeter square is the area of this particular triangle. In case of equilateral triangle, how you are going to find? So if it is, if it is an equilateral triangle, if ABC is an equilateral triangle, fine. 6 6 6 means if all sides are equal, we call it as equilateral triangle. How you are going to find? So to apply the formula half into base into height, what we are going to do? We are going to draw perpendicular from the one of the vertices, one of the vertex. So then this perpendicular will divide the opposite side into two equal parts. Then it will become 3. So if I name it as L, so area of triangle ABC will be half into, so what is base? Base is 3 centimeter. What is height? So wait. So this will be 3, this will be 3. Now I want to find height. Then AL square is equal to AB square minus BL square. AB square minus BL square. So then AL is equal to square root of AB square minus BL square. What is AB? AB is 6 square minus 3 square. BL is nothing but 3. So 36 minus 9. 36 minus 9 is nothing but 36 minus 6, 30. You need to remove 27, root of 27. So it can be 3 root 3 centimeter. Height is 3 root 3 centimeter. Then we can apply. So area of triangle ABC, then it will become, what is half? What is base? Base is 6 centimeter. 6 into 3 root 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 9 root 3 centimeter square is the area of this particular triangle. So I hope you understood this. Then even in case of isosceles triangle, even you can draw a perpendicular like this. A B, C, then you can find the height. But in case of isosceles triangle, wherein so it will have three different lengths. In this case, this formula doesn't work. Half into base in this formula doesn't work. Half into base into height will not work. In such case, we are going to use Heron's formula. So what does Heron's formula state? See. So I think you have noted this down. So this is not that important. So I have given the basic to this Heron's formula. Now, so you got to know what is perimeter, what is an area. So in this chapter, in this particular chapter, Heron's formula, you are going to talk about triangle, finding the area of a triangle. See, area of a triangle is given by, if it is ABC is a triangle, ABC, if it is AB is A, BC is B, AC is C. This is a triangle, and these three are the lengths of this particular triangle. A, B, C are the lengths of a triangle ABC. Okay. Now the formula is given by S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula where S is the semi-perimeter. Semi means half. Semi-perimeter. I hope you understood what is perimeter. Measuring the, see, in case of this, how you are going to find the perimeter? A plus B plus C will give me the boundary of this particular triangle. So what is the semi-perimeter? A plus B plus C divided by 2 will give me the semi-perimeter. So S is semi-perimeter, which is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Then A, B and C are the sides of a triangle. Okay. So this is the formula. Based on this particular formula, we are going to solve the problem exercise 12.1. Before that, we'll go through the example section. Then we'll go through exercise 12.1. And one more thing, application of Heron's formula is not there for your syllabus. Means 12.2 is not there for your syllabus. So please note this down. So example 1, which is based on the Heron's formula. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 cm and 11 cm, and the perimeter is 32 cm. See figure number. So they have given the figure. So we'll write down what is given. So AB, one of the side is 11 cm and BC is equal to 8 cm, and AB we don't know. For that they have given it. See, perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus BC AC is equal divided by AB plus BC plus AC. This will be the perimeter. If you add all the sides, that will give me the boundary measurement. So that will be equal to 11 plus 8 plus AB, I don't know, I will call it as X, which is equal to what they have given. Perimeter is 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. Then what is given? So we need to calculate area. Area is equal to what? So before that, before finding an area, what we need to know? We need to know the third side, that is X. So 11 plus 8 plus X is equal to 32. So 11 plus 8 is nothing but 19 plus X is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 minus 19. Okay, 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3. 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So 13 centimeter. So that AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So not AC, AB. That AB is equal to 13 centimeter. Now semi-perimeter S is equal to AB plus BC plus AC divided by 2, or else A plus B plus C by 2. So now which is equal to, so I can call this as A, this as B, this as C. Okay, what is AB? Just now we got, so instead of that, see, AB plus BC plus AC is directly we know that is 32. So divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 16s are. So 16 centimeter. Fine. Now area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is S here? S is 16. 16 into what is A? S again 16 minus A. Where is A? 11 centimeter. What is B? 16 minus B. That is 8. S minus C. What is C? That C is 13. Sorry. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 16 minus 13. Fine. Now 16 into 16 minus 11 is nothing but 5. 16 minus 8 is 8. Next 16 minus 13 is 3. Fine. Now this 16 if I take out, that would be 4. What is this? 5. I can split 4 into 2 into 3. So if I take this 4 out again, 8, this 4 if I take out, 2 will come out, that 4 into 2 is 8. So 5 into 2 into 3, 10 into 3, 30. 8 root 30 centimeter square. This is the area of a triangle. So please note this down. So second example, a triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. Our gardener Dania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. Okay, can you imagine 120 meter, 80 meter by 50 meter? Just imagine what could be the size of the park. Okay, a gardener Dania has to put a fence all around it, also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? How much area does she need to plant? Find the cost of fencing with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. So I need to draw a figure. So it is given in your book. So please wait. Okay. Now this is a triangular park. Now in this, what we need to do, we need to find the area of the garden that she need to plant. Who? That is Dania has to plant. How much area does she need to plant? That we need to calculate one thing. The second thing that you need to calculate is the cost of fencing. So during the fencing, a 3 meter gate where we do not do any fencing. So where the space for the entry into the garden, so that is 3 meter. Apart from this 3 meter, the fencing should be all around the triangular park. So the cost per meter is 20 rupees. And what would be the cost of this fencing, that we need to calculate. And before that we need to calculate the area. For that, what is given, we'll write down. So they have given the dimension. A is equal to 50 meter, B is equal to 120 meter and C is equal to 80 meter. Fine. So then S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. 50 plus 80, 50 plus 120 plus 80 divided by 2. Fine. 80 plus 120 is nothing but 200. 200 plus 50 is nothing but 250 divided by 2, which is equal to 125 meter. 2 ones are 2, 125. Fine. Next, S. So I'll directly will calculate area of a triangular park is equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What we are doing? We are calculating the area that Dania has to plant. So S we already know 125. S minus A is nothing but 125 minus 50. So S minus B is nothing but 125 minus 120. S minus C is nothing but 125 minus 80. Fine. Now root of 125 into 125 minus 50 is nothing but 75. Next, 125 minus 120 is nothing but 5. Next, 125 minus 80 is nothing but 45. Next, this 125 can be written as 25 into 5. 75 can be written as 25 into 3 into 5. This can be written as 9 into 5. Now, here I will continue. See, 25, wait. For this 25, if I take out of the root, square root, I'll get 5 here. Next, this 5 and this 5, what I'll get? 5. For this 25, I'll get one more 5. Next, for this 9, what will I get? 3. Okay. Next, does anything come out? No. Next, square root of what is left here? 5 into 3, that is 15. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 3s are 375. Square root of 15 centimeter square. Fine. Next, this is the area that Dani has to plant. So for planting a grass, how much area is there? That is 375 root of 15 centimeter square is there. Next, the cost of fencing. The cost of fencing is equal to, what is the perimeter? 250. In that, what we need to remove? We need to remove 3 meter for the gate. 250 minus 3, which is 247. So this into, what is the cost per meter? That is 20. Fine. So this is 247. 250 minus 3 is nothing but 247. Why did I multiply? See, 250 minus 3 is nothing but 247. 247 multiplied by 20. 247. 2 7s are 14, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 2s are 4. So 4,940 rupees. So total 4,940 rupees is required for the fencing. So please note this down. Next, third question. The sides of a triangular park are in the ratio 3:5:7. Its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. So what is given to us, we'll write down. So there is a triangular park ABC, and the sides of this particular triangular park are in the ratio 3:5:7. Now what they have given? They have given the perimeter is equal to 300 meter. Fine. Then they have given the ratio of their sides. A is to B is to C is equal to 3:5:7. So let the common ratio be, let the common ratio be x. Then it would be a is to b is to c is equal to 3x is to 5x is to 7x. Fine. Then sum of these sides will be equal to perimeter. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. Why? Because sum of the side will give us the perimeter. Sum of three sides will give us the perimeter of a triangle. That only I have done. So 3x plus 5x plus 7x is nothing but 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Yes. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15x is equal to 300. So x is equal to 300 divided by 15. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, that is 20. So x is 20, then a is equal to 3x, which is equal to 20 into 3, which is equal to 60 units. Is it 300 meters? Then it will be 60 meter. B, because the unit they have given already all the sides are in meter, so that is 60 meter. Next 5x, b is equal to 5x, 5 into 20, which is equal to 100 meter. Next c, 7x, which is equal to 7 into 20, which is equal to 7 2s are 14, 14, 140 meter. Now we got this. So then what is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A plus B plus C already we know, that is 300 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 1s are 2 15s are, that is 150. Fine. 150 meters, that is semi perimeter. Now area of a triangular park is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Fine. Now we'll continue here. So what is S? S is nothing but 150. S minus A, 150 minus A is nothing but 60 multiplied by S 150, B 100, again 150 minus, that is 140. Fine. 150 into 150 minus 60 is nothing but 90. Next 150 minus 100 is nothing but 50. 150 minus 140 is nothing but 10. 150 minus 60, 90. 150 minus 100 is nothing but 50, 10. So now here, next 150 can be written as 5 into 3 into 10. 5 3 is a 15, 15 10 is a 150. Next 90 can be written as 9 into 10. Next 50 can be written as 5 into 10. So I'll keep 10 as it is. Next, for this 5 and this 5, what I can write? 5 outside. See, 2 5s are there. If I take out of the square root, 1 5 will come out. Next, this 10 is there. This 10 is there. If I take out, 1 10 will come out. For this 9, 3 will come out. Yes or no? For this 10 and this 10, 1 10 will come out. What is left inside the bracket? Only 3 is left. So there is no pair part 3. So I'll keep it as it is. So 5 3s are 15, 15 10s are 150. 150 into 10 is nothing but 1500. Square root of 3 meter square. So please note this down. 1500 root 3 meter square is the area of a triangular park. Thank you.